students. How are you all? This is your teacher Habiba. Okay, in this video I'll make sure that you will be able to create your table in design view, in Access design view, because as we have learned in the previous chapter that how to create a table in the datasheet view, we'll have a look on both methods inshallah. Here this is the main window of database, Access database, right? Here if we save a file, it is saved with an extension of ACCTB, Access database. This is the navigation pane, this is the table pane, and these are, this is quick access toolbar. Okay, make sure that when we are dealing with the tables, these two tabs are active. In the datasheet view, we just start entering the data as suppose Samia Khan. Okay, to go to the next tab in Access, we always use tab key. Okay, here we will enter his father's name, Arif Khan, and next tab with her age, suppose 12 years of age. This pencil sign will save the record. Okay, as we go, this record has to be saved now. If we want to close this table, it will save. Yes, we want to save the changes, the data entered here, the student table, it will be saved in the navigation pane. Here you can see that. Now if we want to create another table with the design, here this is the create tab and this is the design table. Here we can, now here we want to enter emp name. Suppose we are dealing within a company, and here we want to save emp name. This is the field name. Okay, field name. So this is the yellow box, consider this as the field selector. Here is the field name, this is the data type of. Okay, as I press the enter, it will show its data type here, short text, and that is the optional part, description, if you want to add any description. So here is the properties pane. It refers to this data type column. Got it? Here it will show its format, its input mask, its caption, etc. Now we shall go to the text form of your text part of your lecture. Here, chapter 2, design and queries, forms, etc. Right? If we have a close look on this, like suppose this. Okay, a table in MS Access can be created in two ways. You do datasheet view and design view. And design view gives you more control in setting the properties for tables and forms. Here, as we have seen in the visual demonstration, that create table has its own tab and option. The two parts which I have shown you, field definition grid, it allows you to specify field names and data types of the table, and the lower part is called field properties pane. It allows us to enter more details for each field, like field size, etc. here, as I have shown you earlier in this same video. Field definition grid provides us with following four components: field selector, field name, data type, and description. Field selector, by clicking on field selector, we can select a field and insert a row above the selected field, delete a row or drag a row up and down to reposition the field. This is the part where we set the primary key of the field of the table. This specifies the field names for the table you want to create, like student name, employee name, data type. It specifies the data type of the data to be entered, like date, currency, or simply your marks, name, etc. And description, it contains an optional description of the field, whether you give it or not. No problem. Okay, that's all till now, students. Inshallah, we shall see you in the next